Hello guys, good afternoon. I have a customer 2017 Elantra. He is complaining about the gear when shifting drive while running. This indicator suddenly shift to 1 or 3 or 4 like that. So when I test drive, I run 100 or 120. Suddenly shift to manual shifting. Suddenly shift to third or fourth. So we are checking here this sensor here, this switch for one manual mode. It is good. So we found this here inside the spiral cable. This wire inside the spiral cable. This wire connected to the manual mode shifting. So I remove already the two wiring from here because I test drive now. So there is problem of spiral cable. What we call this in Hyundai is clock spring. So when turning, when I turn the steering, suddenly transfer from here in 1 or 2 shift. Like for example now it's D, suddenly transfer to 2, even not shifting from here, even you shift from drive. So I confirm the problem is from clock spring inside spiral cable. So now I test drive now to check again. So I recommend the customer change the spiral cable or cancel the wiring inside, so to prevent the gear damage, because suddenly it is suddenly shift to manual shifting. It will shift third or fourth or second. Very dangerous from the engine. It will wild. So now I will try to drive